Hi guys, a very warm welcome. And in this video, we are going to understand about how we can work on the AWS Cloudfront service. So first of all, we have to search for the AWS Cloudfront, which is a global content delivery network. And we will use one of the S3 bucket where our index.html file or the web page or web file is located. Distribution, we are going to access that web page using the Cloudfront domain. So here you can see that I'm on the CloudFront distribution. There are a couple of distributions that are already existing. We just have to go to the create distribution and provide the origin domain name. So in the origin domain, we have to specify our S3 bucket where the index.html file is uploaded. So I'm going to use this one, Cloud Institute demo bucket.s3.amazonaws.com, and here it is, our index.html file is located, and the origin access is going to be public. Regarding the protocol policy and allowed HTTP methods, you can make the changes, otherwise you can keep it default also. And the most important thing about the CloudFront distribution is for which price class you are going to create this distribution. So if you select all the edge locations, which is recommended by the AWS for the best performance, it will use all the edge locations of the globe to distribute your content. Otherwise, you can select a specific continents as well, like North America and Europe, and that would reduce some cost. Now, in the default root object, which is optional, you can specify the file name, which is uploaded on the S3 bucket that needs to be distributed on all the edge location. You can specifically specify that. Let's say in our bucket index.html file is available and we want that this file has to be distributed in all the edge locations. Click on create a distribution and it says you need to add the web application firewall also. So we'll just select do not enable security protections. We are not adding any kind of a firewall or HTTPS or SSL certificates. Now let's wait for the distribution to be created. Guys, once the distribution is created, you get a distribution domain name, and from this domain name you will be able to access your index.html file or a web page. So we just have to wait for the distribution to be created. It takes some time for the distribution to be active because it has to upload the content in all the edge locations. So let's wait for a few minutes. See, the CloudFront distribution is created, and if I copy the distribution domain name and paste it on the browser, it should not give me any output. It would say access denied. The reason is because it is getting the file from the S3 bucket, and on the S3 bucket our index.html file is not made publicly accessible. So what we need to do is we have to go to the S3 bucket, look for the Cloud Institute demo bucket, and here we just have to select the index.html file, go to the actions and click on make public using ACL. So now the index.html file is public, and if we try to access that from the CloudFront distribution domain, we should be able to view the output. Let's wait for that. So here you can see this is what we had in our index.html code, and it is now available with the help of the CloudFront distribution URL. So likewise, you can use this CloudFront distribution domain and map it with your external domains or the actual domains that you're going to publish for the public access. Thanks for watching this video, guys.